Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Lauren, and today I wanted to make a video to show you how and tell you how to care for your lava stone jewelry. So you might have lava stone jewelry that you wear just because you like how it looks. You might have lava stone jewelry that you wear and you drop essential oils on to diffuse your oils throughout the day. And sometimes even the lava stone jewelry, we have necklaces and all different kinds, but today I'm gonna use these bracelets just as an example. So we have a separate video that shows you exactly how to use your diffuser bracelets, your lava stone bracelets, for diffusing your essential oils if you choose to use them that way. If not, then that's totally fine. They're really super cute just to wear on their own. And then today's video, we're gonna talk all about caring for this type of jewelry. So you want to make sure that you keep your lava stone jewelry in a really dry environment. Don't expose it to like any chemicals, hairspray, perfumes, anything like that. If you do have essential oils that you'd like to drop directly on lava stones, that's totally fine. But make sure to keep it in kind of like a cool, dry area otherwise, if that makes sense. So you also, when you put your bracelet on, if it is one of the ones that comes with an elastic cord, that both of these that I'm wearing actually right now are on, you wanna make sure that when you are putting them on, you're rolling them on and off. So often I see people like stretch them out and put them on. Totally not the way to do it. If you don't want if you want your bracelet to last longer and you don't want it to stretch out, then make sure you make it a habit to roll them on and off. This will also make it last longer. You know, you can only imagine like the more that you pull on it, the easier it is for it to break or to snap, right? Like these aren't indestructible elastic bands. Although these that ours are made on are really strong. I have a 3-year-old, he is very hands-on, and I have bracelets that I've worn for over a year. So if you care for them correctly and you don't put them through any like extreme stretching or anything like that, they should not break, okay? So again, make sure you roll them on and roll them off of your wrist. Okay, the next tip that I have for caring for your lava stone jewelry is to not wear them in the bath, the shower, the pool. Try to avoid those things at all costs. I have here and there forgot mine on once in a while I jump in the shower or something like that. But I try to make it a habit to take all of my jewelry off before I get into the shower, lava stone jewelry or not, any jewelry that I wear, to just avoid any wear and tear. So this whole video really is to just make you aware of the different things that are gonna wear and tear down your bracelet quicker than, and we want you to get the most out of your jewelry and we want it to last as long as it can. So another thing just on top of that I want to end the video off with is to not wear your jewelry to sleep. It might be tempting, especially if you are using it for essential oils. If you have essential oils on there that might calm you down or something like that, I would recommend using those oils in your jewelry maybe 15-20 minutes before you go to bed, and then taking your jewelry off before you actually hop into bed and sleep for the remainder of the night. Reason being, it could stretch, it could get caught on something. Who knows what we do when we're asleep? We're asleep, right? We have no idea. So to avoid it breaking or again being worn down or anything like that, definitely avoid wearing them to sleep. If you'd like to use essential oils for, calming down or sleeping through the night, you can always use an at-home diffuser, which is a great option. I love to wear my bracelets around the home, yes, but they're mostly utilized for when I have to go out somewhere. I have to go to the grocery store, I have to go on a trip. This is super convenient because I can bring my oils with me, but when I'm at home, most of the time I'm using my oils in my diffuser. Again, avoid wearing them to bed, roll them on and off. Don't take them into the shower, the bath, or anything like that, and you should be all good. So hopefully this helped, and hopefully your jewelry stays nice and new as it can look for a very long time with these helpful tips. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.